Yep. Well, nobody ever said the WR250R was a fast bike. So, it is a fun bike though. Look at this. That's a nice little turn.
I still consider myself a noob, but here's one of my attempts at 0 to 60 acceleration.
Well, I'll tell you what, WR250R is not a fast bike.
It's also not one of the better accelerating or handling machines either, but it's fun as hell. You can ride on dirt, you could ride on street, go for long adventures, you could jump it, you could wheelie it, you could even take it on the twisties.
I don't care who you are, that is fun as hell. Speaking of slow bikes, I was probably not going faster than 40 miles an hour. Still fun. I'm going 55-ish right now, and I got a 49 tooth in the back, 13 in the front, and right now it feels like 50 to 60 miles an hour is probably good cruising speed in this Supermoto setup. So, you know, not that I desire to go faster on this 250 or 310 because it's got the Athena big bore kit in it, wherever you want to kind of calibrate it to. But, I mean, if I wanted to make this faster, I might as well just get another bike. But, yeah, I would hesitate to take this on the highway in its current form. But even with the Athena big bore kit, you know, I don't think this is a kind of fast vehicle to begin with. But it is fun. What I'd like to do is maybe gear down this Supermoto from a 49 tooth to a 47 tooth, you know, for a couple reasons. That way, I guess top end speed and also just acceleration on this WR250R might improve a little bit. Smaller teeth in the back. The other reason is I have two WR250Rs, and my black WR250R has a 47 tooth sprocket in the rear too. So, if anything, for the sake of mixing and matching wheels, I could just stay consistent on the number of teeth in the sprocket in the rear.
So given my riding style and from what I gather in the riding community, the 1347 sprocket combination for the WR250R seems to provide a good low-end torque while not sacrificing too much on acceleration and top speed.
Also, that way, if I have matching 47 tooth sprocket in the rear, I can do a better apples-to-apples comparison of acceleration tests between the Legacy WR250R, that's the one I'm riding now with the Athena big bore kit, and also my black WR250R, which is the one I bought from Cycle Cruiser that has basically a stock engine. For comparison's sake, it'll be interesting to see if there's a giddy up and go factor with the Athena big bore kit using similar wheels. I'm in 6th gear on my WR250R with a 13 tooth sprocket in the front and a 49 tooth sprocket in the rear, and I'm going about 50 miles an hour right now. But here's the thing, kind of wrapping it out right now. And I don't want to push it on a local street here, but getting up to 60 takes a bit. I guess all I'm saying is maybe it could stand to do a little bit improvement with the sprocket change in the back to get a bit more top end speed. I mean, 70 miles an hour, this thing is like, feels like it's already wrapped out. Yeah, it took a while to get to 70. Yeah, she is lugging it right now. And I don't think I would be like a cruiser boy. Anyways, WR250R, not a super fast machine, but it is fun as hell.